Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's that awkward moment at a family reunion. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell Steam Mop and the Shark S7000AMZ. Will you be left with gleaming floors or a puddle of regret? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is a steal at just $102, making it a budget-friendly option that many reviewers appreciate for its value. Customers have noted that it performs well without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Shark S7000AMZ comes in at $169, and while it's pricier, many users feel that the added features justify the cost. Reviewers have mentioned that the investment is worth it for the advanced cleaning capabilities it offers, especially for pet owners who need something more robust. Next, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Bissell Steam Mop boasts a power rating of 12 amps and eliminates 99.9% of germs, which has earned it high praise from users who appreciate its sanitizing ability. Reviewers with pets have highlighted its efficiency in cleaning various types of flooring. In contrast, the Shark S7000AMZ features an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, making it a powerhouse for those tough messes. Users have raved about its effectiveness in quickly tackling stubborn stains, especially in homes with pets. Now, let's steam things up with steam settings. The Bissell offers high and low steam settings, which users find beneficial for adjusting to different cleaning needs. Many reviews mention how this flexibility allows them to tackle everything from quick cleanups to deeper sanitizing. The Shark also provides two steam modes, light for quick cleanups and normal for everyday use. Reviewers appreciate this versatility, especially when dealing with varying levels of mess, making both mops adaptable to their cleaning routines. Let's talk design. The Bissell Steam Mop is sleek with a 25-foot power cord, giving it excellent reach. Users have praised its maneuverability and lightweight design, making it easy to handle. However, some have mentioned a lack of padding on the handle. The Shark S7000AMZ, on the other hand, is designed for easy maneuverability, allowing it to glide effortlessly over floors. Reviewers have commented on how it feels like a cleaning ninja while using it, although some have noted it can be a bit heavier than expected, which might affect prolonged use. Overall, the Bissell Steam Mop has garnered positive reviews for its affordability and effective cleaning capabilities, particularly for households with pets. However, some users have raised concerns about durability over time. The Shark S7000AMZ is praised for its superior scrubbing power and versatility, making it a favorite among those needing a more robust cleaning solution, although its higher price point is a consideration for some. So, there you have it. If you want a budget-friendly mop that gets the job done, the Bissell Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you want to unleash the cleaning power of 1,000 tiny scrubbing robots, then the Shark S7000AMZ might be worth the splurge. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Shark, the ultimate goal is to keep your floors cleaner than your ex's excuses. If you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose to save your floors from disaster. Until next time, keep buying smart and living clean.